If you want to change the default operation mode access point to client bridge to WDS bridge mode on your ENH500 kit, please follow these steps. Make sure both devices are turned off. You will need to change your Ethernet adapter settings. Go to Properties, go to TCP/IP4, and assign a static IP address of 192.168.1.10 or any number higher than 10. Click OK. We are now ready to start the configuration process. It's time to plug in the device in the following order. Grab your ENH500 that has the IP address of 192.168.1.1. Now grab an Ethernet cable and plug it in the main LAN port of your ENH500. Plug in the other end of the Ethernet cable to the PoE port on the PoE injector. Grab another Ethernet cable and plug it in the LAN port of the PoE injector. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable to your computer. Grab the power cord and plug it into the PoE injector. Lastly, plug it into a power outlet. Please allow a couple minutes for the device to boot up. Type in on your browser 192.168.1.1. Enter your admin to log into your device. Now go to Wireless under the Network tab. In order to have access to WDS bridge mode, you will need to disable EnGen. This operation mode is not compatible with the EnGen technology. As you can see, it doesn't give you the option for WDS bridge mode. Please disable EnGen. Now go to operation mode, and you can see that the WDS bridge mode is now available. Select it. We're now going to change the channel width. We recommend using 80 MHz for AC. Change the channel. In this case, we're going to choose 60. Please note that your secondary device needs to have the same channel in order for them to work properly. We're going to change the transmit power to the minimum of 11 for this scenario. Depending on your deployment, you can increase the transmit power to best accommodate your deployment. In the WDS link settings section is where you will input the secondary's device 5 GHz MAC address displayed on the label on the back of the device. Once you have inputted the MAC address, scroll down and click Save. A notification will pop up to apply changes. Click on Apply. You must do this step for all configuration changes to take effect. We strongly recommend that you do a new password. In this case, we're just going to skip it. Please allow the changes to be completed. Once you're back on the main menu, please scroll down all the way to the wireless LAN information. You can verify the WDS bridge has been applied on this device. It's now time to go and configure the second device. You can use the same PoE injector to set up your second device. Please unplug your first device. You can verify that this is the second device by reading the IP address of 192.168.1.2. Now plug your Ethernet cable on your second device. Please allow a couple minutes for the boot sequence to be completed. You can now type in the IP address 192.168.1.2 and you will see the login page. Enter your username and password. Okay, we're going to go to Wireless under the Network tab. We're going to disable EnGen. We're going to change the operation mode to WDS Bridge. We're going to set the channel width to 80 megahertz, which is the same one we used for the first device. We're going to also set the channel to 60, which is the channel that we used in the primary device. Remember, all these channels have to be matching in order for the link to be successful. We put the transmit power to 11 dBm, and remember, this is only for this demonstration. If you need more power, you can always change it. We're going to leave the security none, and we're going to go ahead and input the MAC address of the 5 gigahertz of the first device. Scroll down and click Save. Please remember to click on the Apply button so all your changes take effect. Please wait a couple minutes for the changes to take effect. Once you're back in the main page, scroll down to the wireless LAN information and verify that the operation mode is in WDS bridge. Now install your devices to their designated location. Remember that both devices need to have clean line of sight for better performance. Once you have completed the installation, you can check the link quality of your WDS bridge. Please be aware that once the WDS link is established, your devices will revert back to DHCP, and the default static IP address of 192.168.1.1 of your primary and the 192.168.1.2 of your secondary device will no longer be available, and you will need to verify the assigned IP address from your DHCP table. Enter the username, password, click on the Connections under Overview tab. You can verify that your WDS link has been established successfully. In this demonstration, you can see the link quality, it's great. I'm going to go ahead and do an internet speed test just to give you an idea on how good the connection is. Remember that this test is being done by the remote device. Thank you for purchasing the EnGenius ENH500 kit for your wireless solution.